If you want to change home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A37, first we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to Wallpaper and Style. Next, we're gonna tap on the home screen over here. Now you should be able to tap on this icon here in the upper left corner, and now we should be able to choose the wallpaper that we wish to use on the home screen. And we're gonna choose, you can choose one of these example ones that we have in here, one of these presets, or you can choose an image from the gallery. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. In many cases, as long as it is not a preset wallpaper, this seems to be the exception, but if you choose one of these preset wallpapers, then you cannot really customize it that much. In other cases, you have, for example, frame option, where you can choose a different frame. We can also choose the color for the frame if you decide to use it. You can also go to effects in order to apply one of these available effects. So be sure to check them out if you want to find out what you have available in here. Also, we can zoom in and zoom out by using the pinching gesture, and you can move around with your finger as well. Once you are done with the customization of the wallpaper, you can just simply tap on Done in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.